Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Renuka and today I am sharing this small album which I created for one of my relatives. So I just want to give this time to some kind of handmade things to my uncle and aunt and their family. So I decided to give them the album, and I just want to give it a fast thing cause still it took me like more days than I thought, cause I have to make lots of them. So okay, let's start it. So I put here a family word. I use the Spellbinders family and I put a glossy accent on them. I use these from the paper marts and Love for Roses embellishment. These are again the die cutouts I did with the watercolor, and then I cut out these butterflies. I use the Hero Arts embossing thing, and once upon a time I make this card and I want to put this in front of it. Again, this is like Spellbinders one, and I thought it could be a nice combination to get it through. And this is the binding, and this is quite a bigger one because I want to put the pages, and most of the times I found that whenever we put the photos inside the thing, it got little bulky and then album is gonna fill up that way. So I just put lots and lots of room so that they can add more and more photos and card if they want. Then I use this lace. It's from Mustache. I don't know, maybe Hobby Lobby or Geons from where I bought. And then I made these three closures with the thing, like the satin ribbons, two satin ribbons, and one is like the organza one. These flowers I die cut out from the again I think the Spellbinders. Yeah, so this is the family. They have the small daughter, one younger one, and I just took and just give this idea because they live in India. So they're not much trained to using these kind of albums, so I just give them an idea that how you can use this album. And next, I didn't put any photos. I put the flip out so they can put here a photo, here a photo, and here also, or they can write something. And this is another thing that where you can put the photos. Then I create a small waterfall here, and I may put some photos here so that they will get an idea, or I'll tell them that how we can put the photos here. One card, just put little bit stenciling because it's quite a white one. And then again I use the same flower. Here I use the Eco Parts Little Rimmer collection paper as well as the recollection paper for this yellows one, and this polka dots. I really like the way it turn outs. Then I use the Hero Arts die cutouts for these hearts, and then I put these. So these cards I bought in the like full pack of the scraps from the Geons, and they kind of really nice matte fitting it, so they can put the photo or tuck something inside, whatever they like to. Then I make here a one envelope, and it's a tab. So here I use little bit embossing folder to add a little bit of interest, and then you can put this, and this heart will work as a tab. Then this side again we have the small thing. So now here you can put photo behind it on both the side of the photos, or you can write something on it, that will also do. Same thing here. And this turned out quite well. I just want to mix and match the papers and see how it looks, and I just choose the pastel colors and more earthy colors and some kind of things like that. So here I put another envelope which I didn't put yet any card, so we will put that here right now. So it is just like, I'll just gonna put this card here. So you can do like this, or you can put the long card inside just like that, and then you need some kind of tabs to add it. So I will put one tab here from the same thing, and then we can put that inside. So that is the another pocket where they can put something, or if they want girls they can do something else. This is again the pocket, and again the pocket. Simple pages, nothing much fancy. still I will post the whole video that how I can put all things together. So this goes inside like this. They can stuck something inside if they want. Again, the flip up and down, you can use that. Here I put a nice small panel I have with like nice embossing, so I put that. Another flip up and down, and I use throughout this journal the same flowers so that they would, this is my photo with my family. I just want to put it here so that they will remember like, okay, this album is like bought them from me, and this is a very nice family. On back side also I put this beautiful embossing by Spellbinders and my signature like Handmade by Renuka. And I'll keep all the photos and supplies I use, as well as the making of the how I make the process or tutorial, you can say, for this album, shown on my channel. And until the next crafty project, have a crafty life. Don't forget to visit my blog to see more pictures, details, and all the supplies I use. So if you like this, give it a thumbs up. I love to hear from you and let me know your thoughts on it. And until the next crafty project, have a crafty life. Bye bye.